Hello, my name is Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead, on a very bright, sunny Arizona day. This is my very first ever TikTok. What the heck is TikTok? I don't know. I guess I'm going to find out. So, welcome to my TikTok channel. Is that what it's called? And hopefully we'll see some cool stuff. You can also check me out on YouTube, Arizona Hot Homestead YouTube. And I'm also going to get on Instagram too. So check that out too when that happens. Or just check it out anyhow. It may happen by then. So, let me just give you a little brief showing of what I got here. Little introduction to Arizona Hot Homestead. Raw land, 4.5 acres, raw land, and I'm building my little paradise here. So, the idea is to be self-sufficient. Garden, chickens, rabbits, water catchments, solar, wood stove, the whole ball of wax, totally off-grid. In fact, the nearest power line is like well over 2.5 miles away. So, let me just show you a couple things real quick. Some solar panels. There's going to be a whole lot more solar panels than this. That's 6 panels of 265 watts. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of 250 watts. My generator's in there. That room there is where all the components are. All my components are going to get upgraded, but let me just briefly show you those. My solar components, they come in, go through a little cheap charge controller, some batteries, 24 volts. We're going to upgrade this to lithium here pretty soon. My Samlex inverter, my distribution box. It's all pretty cool. I got all these videos on YouTube, by the way, folks. The pump house, 5,000 gallons of water. Take a look inside the pump house. I know some of it's a mess. That's a transfer pump for and that's a filter for transferring it. I got extra heat tape here because that's what all these pipes have on them, is heat tape, keep them nice and warm during the winter. There's my pressure tank, my water pump's right there. So this here is just so that I can prime this water pump if I ever needed to. It doesn't have to be that long. It's just spare parts I put in there. And that's the exact same thing. I can also drip hydrogen peroxide food grade in here if I wanted to. But I put it out in my main tank. Let's take a look at some more stuff. My rain catchment system. I got 4 330 gallon totes. Probably black to kind of help with the whole algae thing. Plus I use a hydrogen peroxide in there too to deal it. Set up as a manifold. Basically comes off of some roof into here. And I've got a manifold going all the way down and fills it in. These are like this because I had to do some modifications, and instead of just putting a new piece, I just rigged it. And this is the outdoor shower bathroom. I still got to put the doors on. Because it's winter right now, I don't have my water heater in, because I had to winterize it. But normally there's a water heater there. There's the shower spout there. Got my compost toilet, compost. Got some lighting in here if I ever needed it. Little makeshift sink. The water's off because it's winter. And this also uses rainwater. That's 275 gallon tote. And look at that. I'm up to right about there on the water. It was like way down here, but I've been getting some rain. So there you have it, Arizona Hot Homestead. My name is Jeff. See you, bye, have fun. Don't forget to do all that cool stuff that you're supposed to do. I don't even know what you're supposed to do on TikTok yet. It's my first ever video on TikTok. Tell me what you guys think. Did I do okay? Probably too long, huh? My other ones will be shorter. I promise they'll be closer to 3 minutes. Talk to you later.